in the back of the house. This is the door into the kitchen. And you can remember in an earlier video I dug a hole here, and poured concrete footers. And I was going to make a 10-foot wide by 6 feet off the house, 10-foot wide, low deck off the back of this house. Well, things have changed for me. I need to kind of speed this project along. It's taken a lot longer than intended. Again, I've done multiple other things while doing this renovation, but I need to get this one wrapped up. I need the income off this house, and I need to move on to the next project. So I am going to fill these holes in, leave that concrete in the ground, and I am reducing the porch down to 3 stairs. I just bought some stringers. They're $10 each, and 3 treads, 3 feet wide, and so this little stairs you're going to see me make is going to cost $50, plus using a couple scrap pieces of wood and some center blocks I already have. So I'm just going to get this tossed together really quick, and then I will, in the future, soonish, I'm going to build some sort of a little cover that covers the door up just to keep the rain off of the door some. We're in the back of the house here, and I want to do some cleanup of the trees. All this is just a bunch of scraggly stuff, so I'm cutting it all down, and to make sure it doesn't go over on that trailer or towards this house at all, I'm going to be pulling on it with a rope. Well, that wraps everything up. My next step is to have the electric hooked back up at this house. All the wiring's in, everything's roughed in. Don't have to do anything else inside the panel. The power company, I've already called it in. They're going to come reconnect the power line service up tomorrow. Next up is the inspection, and after that I can go ahead and start putting up drywall. And once the drywall's up, I can paint it, prime it, paint it, whatever, start putting floors in. House is really going to start kind of changing the way it's been looking. It's looked rough for a long time. It's going to start kind of shaping up. I actually just spent all day here at the house crawling around on my stomach and back like a worm, hooking up all the flex duct. So I had originally pulled all the flex duct out from under the house. And so the flex duct is just like duct work in the house. It's just flexible insulated duct. Works good, fit it pretty much anywhere versus something like rigid duct. So got all that hooked back up. Didn't film any of that. It was just too unpleasant to film anything. And I think that's pretty much it. Don't have any major concerns right now. A lot less than some of the viewers of my videos, I think. I'm just wanting to get this house wrapped up. As soon as I'm done with this one, I got another one to work on. And then I'm going to, I think, start a whole new project, something very different than the house, just normal house renovation. So we'll see how that goes. So I guess that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, be sure to ask them below. If you have any kind of ideas as far as what I can do, should do next, feel free. But other than that, I think this video was just a mix of a bunch of random stuff. At this very moment, I don't even know what I filmed. I just need to kind of look it all over and get it put together and post it. So thanks for watching, and be sure to share the videos and leave a comment. Thumbs ups. I'll see you next time.
That's the end of the video.